predominantly we work with people in businesses who look after HR, talent acquisition, diversity and inclusion specialists, and more often than not we come across the team that works on the EVP, the employee value proposition. And the amount of conversations that we have where the conversation starts, well, we did a poll of our board and our stakeholders, and it's like, well, that's great, but you're talking to the wrong people. So I think that, we talked about it, I think originally, it might even been in the email that you sent about what we're going to be discussing today, and that's about ownership and accountability and where it sits. And I think, inevitably it is definitely with the people who can implement change, and so as a result it's very important for them to be involved in that process. But there's a huge amount of onus on the employees themselves to actually drive that as well. And I think sometimes you have the privilege and the luxury of being in a business or working in a company where there is that safe space and you have that forum to voice your opinions and kind of, I suppose, drive that change from the bottom up, and sometimes you don't. And I think that the latter is really where employees need to kind of band together and make sure that they are communicating that up the chain and they are setting the questions for the survey instead of just kind of filling out what's sent through to them.